So the next one I want to talk about is the local page. So how is the local page different than the landing page? Well, a local page is a page like Dentist San Diego. It's a page like Dentist Boston. It's a page like Dentist Los Angeles, for example. And you could interchange dentist with anything you want. It could be gym, it could be digital marketing agency, it could be wedding vendor, whatever, right? So how do you structure a local page, and how and why is it different than a landing page? Let's take a look. So a local page, generally you have that same concept, right? You want a headline, you want some text, you want to keep these same type of principles in mind as far as the 7-second test, because somebody comes in, they're not sure exactly where they are online. But what we know about local people who do local searches is that in most cases, they want to convert fairly quickly. They don't have a lot of time, and a lot of times they've done research before they've come to the page. So if that's the case, how would you want to approach it? Well, for the really quick mobile browser, what you want to do is give them the options that they're looking for. Those options would be contact us, call us, get directions, right? So within a specific local page on mobile and desktop, what I'm recommending is that you have a headline, text that speaks to the 7-second test, and then has a couple quick calls to action, whether you're on mobile or desktop. It doesn't have to be formatted exactly like this. It could be formatted differently and designs can be different, but definitely at the top. And then if they don't want to convert right away, they need more information, we have the same concept that we had on the landing page, right? So additional modules that bring credibility. Now, two other quick things, really important to think about: reviews and review generation and how you put that on the page, and then also social proof, okay? So those two things together are very big for landing pages, and reviews can be on the page, and you can also do review schema or rating schema within the code of the page so that it shows up in Google with stars. So when somebody does a search for, again, that Dentist San Diego example, and this comes up, there'll be a bunch of stars. Obviously, I'm not very good at drawing stars, but reviews are great on landing pages, and they're also good on local pages, okay? Oh, one thing I forgot about the local pages, really important that you have a map on the local pages. So every local page needs to show exactly where the business is. That map is generally embedded by Google My Business and links to the Google My Business location. That's a really important part. So a local page will generally, on the SEO side, it will have local schema, it will have the map embedded, it will have calls to action, it will have review schema, and those are some really important elements. Also, the Google My Business and all the local listings out there, whether it be Yelp or you're using a local listing service, all of those will link back specifically to the local page.